Okay guys, so I just learned a very hard lesson that I, of all people, should have known better. I was setting up my ridgeline for my tarp here, and I want you to learn from my mistake. I didn't really look very closely at which ridgeline I was grabbing. So I was grabbing when I went to leave, I was grabbing my old ridgeline, which doesn't have any Prus-6 or Tato connectors or anything on it. It's just a ridgeline. So when I went to hang it up and put my tarp up, I had nothing to hang it from. It just clipped on, of course, and slid. And I was like, crap, what am I gonna do? Now, I talked to you guys a lot about redundancy and being redundant about certain things. One thing I'm really bad about is extra cordage. If I had just had 10 or so feet of extra cordage, I would have been perfectly fine, but I didn't have any extra cordage whatsoever. So what I actually had to do is I had to cannibalize some of my own gear, and it just breaks my heart. But this little skier sling here that I have from Dream Hammock opens up on both sides, so it has extra long, super thin cord on both sides. Well, I only open it up from one side. I never open the other side up. So I ended up cutting off the one end that I never get into. Had plenty of cordage to use for that, and was able to make some Prus-6 knots to hang my tarp. Oh man, that just kind of sucks. I hate cutting up any kind of gear. What's really funny is the campsite I was at last night, I found a huge piece of like paracord laying on the ground, and I was going to pack it out with me because I didn't want to leave trash there. Completely forgot, left it there this morning. If I had just had that paracord with me, I could have used somebody's trash to make Prus-6 and not had to destroy my own gear. It's not destroyed, it's just it sucks. It's so stupid. And of course, this is a big, huge campsite, and there's no trash hardly. Nobody left any cordage. I found one little tiny piece of strap that wasn't even long enough to make a loop out of, so that was not going to work for a Prus-6. But man, oh my goodness, you live and you learn. And you know, probably won't even rain tonight. But the last thing I wanted to do was be scrambling with a thunderstorm bearing down on me. That has happened to me so many times, and it is the absolute worst, scary, terrifying feeling. You're just like, man, I got to beat this rain, and you're scrambling to get your gear together, and it sucks. So lesson learned. Thanks everybody for watching, and as always, please be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out a lot. And be sure to check out my Teespring store where you can get some cool Outland merch like this awesome sweatshirt that I'm wearing. There's t-shirts, all kinds of great stuff out there. Be sure and check it out. Thanks guys for your support. I really appreciate it. Look forward to some more great content very soon. I'll talk to you guys later.